When you get a new router, reconnecting your YouView box is essential to continue enjoying your favorite shows and services. There are two primary methods to establish this connection. You can connect using either a wired Ethernet connection, which is the most reliable method, especially for HD streaming, or a wireless Wi-Fi connection, which offers more convenience without cables. For a wired connection, you'll need an Ethernet cable to connect your router directly to your YouView box. This physical connection provides the most stable and reliable internet connection. Connect the Ethernet cable from one of your router's LAN ports to the Ethernet port on the back of your YouView box, as shown by the arrow in this diagram. Once physically connected, follow these simple steps. First, navigate to Settings, then Network on your YouView box. Select the wired connection option, and the system will automatically configure your network settings. Finally, test the connection to ensure everything is working properly. For wireless connection, access your YouView box settings and navigate to Network, then Wi-Fi Setup. You'll see a list of available networks. Select your new router's network name. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, then confirm the connection and test it. Your router must support modern security protocols. WPA2 is the minimum requirement, but WPA3 offers enhanced security. Avoid older WEP security as it's outdated and less secure. Ensure DHCP is enabled on your router for automatic IP address assignment. You'll need minimum broadband speeds of 2 megabits per second for standard definition content and 10 megabits per second for high definition streaming. Both connection methods will get your YouView box online with your new router. Choose wired for maximum reliability and performance, or wireless for convenience and flexibility. Either way, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite content in just a few minutes. When your YouView box isn't connecting properly, or performance isn't optimal, there are several troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques that can resolve most issues. Start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, double-check your Wi-Fi password. This is the most common issue. Ensure your YouView box is positioned within optimal Wi-Fi range, preferably in the same room or adjacent room as your router. Let's look at the most common connection problems and their frequency. Understanding these statistics helps prioritize your troubleshooting approach. Password errors account for 45% of connection failures, making it the top issue. Signal strength problems represent 25% of cases, often resolved by repositioning your YouView box closer to the router. Now let's explore optimization techniques to improve your YouView connection performance, especially for high-quality streaming. For optimal performance, especially when streaming 4K content, network engineers strongly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection. This provides the most stable and reliable connection for high-bandwidth streaming. If you must use Wi-Fi, optimize your connection by prioritizing the 5 GHz band on dual-band routers. This frequency offers better performance in congested areas with less interference. YouView boxes have excellent compatibility with major UK internet service provider routers. Let's look at the compatibility rates with popular router models. BT Smart Hub routers have a 99% compatibility rate with YouView boxes, making them the most reliable choice. SkyQ Hub routers achieve 95% compatibility, while third-party routers maintain a 90% compatibility rate. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and optimization techniques, but still experience connection issues, it may be time to contact your internet service provider. About 5% of connection problems require ISP intervention to resolve.